how to find research sources using Magic School AI. In order to do that, click on this Magic Student right here, and then scroll down until you can see in here this Research Assistant. So click on that, and then from in there, you should be able to see this. So just enter in here your grade level. So for example, let's put in here university. And then let's put in here a research about calcium on teeth. And then after that, click on this generate right here. And then once you have done that, this will actually load your research assistant, and you should be able to see in here some sources that actually supports your actual input or prompt. So you can see in here some websites and also some academic sources. And it also have a brief background of the actual thing that you have put. So I have put it right here, calcium on teeth, and it's put right here, in-depth look at calcium's oral role on the building of strong bones in teeth. So you can actually just use these academic sources using this ones right here. So you can head over and export them, or you can also just click on that particular link, and then you will be redirected to that particular article or journal. So that's how you find research sources using Magic School AI. Hope we helped.